Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone, back up, verify iOS version, and confirm jailbreak compatibility. Once done, install a lightweight jailbreak and a tweak manager so you can load extensions. Next, add an animation provider and a widget engine to host live content near the notch. Make sure to grant any tweak permissions and reboot only when prompted. This early setup avoids conflicts later and provides the hooks needed to graft a dynamic Highland-like overlay onto the existing notch area. You now build the overlay, design a rounded rectangle that sits above the notch and adapts width with content. Once created, connect system events, media, timers, calls, and notifications to trigger entrance and exit animations. Make sure your animation timing matches the system feel. Quick expand, subtle bounce, then fade or shrink. Also implement stacking rules so high-priority alerts replace lower ones. Test responsiveness with simulated events and tune safe area, and touch pass-through so core gestures still work. You finish by polishing visuals and performance, lower frame costs, pre-compute assets, and limit refresh to active intervals. Then package the tweak and enable it on boot. Test in portrait, landscape, and during calls. Once stable, refine timing and visual weights so the island feels native. If things go wrong, revert by disabling the tweak, check crash logs for the offending hook, and reinstall components one at a time. Remember, incremental changes make debugging far faster than broad rewrites.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.